Welcome back to Supertechs Services. Today, look at what I got. We're going to be doing a fusing unit today on the Kyocera M3550idn. The same fusing unit will work for the Kyocera M3560idn. The same overall process works for the Kyocera M3540idn, but the fusing unit and some of these other parts are a little bit different, but the same general process is the same. So let's get this bad boy flipped around and get started. Alright, so let's get the printer flipped around here. Just like that. So make sure it's in frame so you guys can see it. There we go. Alright, so first you want to start by removing some covers here. There is a cover here that is not on this machine. When I bought it, it was missing that. There's also a little plastic, I guess a cover as well on the inside that was missing. Your machine should have that. So I won't be doing that step right here, which is removing a screw. But let's get some of these covers off. That one like that. You actually should take the paper tray out. Okay, did that. Let's do that now. There we go. Let's get that out there. Hopefully you can see that well. Alright, let's open this door. Remove that cover. Let's take that one off. I don't think we need that one off. No, we shouldn't need that one off. Alright, so what you have here, if you can tell, are two connectors here and one connector here on the side. Let's first do these ones. Just all you have to do is pull them out. One connector, two connectors. You kind of slip the wire off on the side. There's one screw right here. Zoom in for you. You'll want to remove that. Plastic screw, and note how the wire goes down and how it comes through this hole right here. Alright, so now the machine back to its back. I'm going to zoom down a little bit so you guys can see it a little clearer. Alright, just like that. So now what we're going to want to do is come to the lower left side here. You won't be able to see it too well, but the same thing, there's two connectors. Pull one of them down, and another one is a power connector for the fusing unit. Just press it, and you'll see that there, just like that. Alright, so there's only two more connectors. There's one screw right here, and one right there. Some a little bit bigger screws. Take that one out, one. Mind my big head, two, and there's two more connectors. This one I like to use a flathead. You just come in and kind of pinch the wire and use the flathead to pull them out. There they go. Two connectors just like that. Now we're going to take this door off. I probably should have did that first, just so you can see how I do it. Alright, so there's a little cover, like bluish cover down here. Be a little tricky, but there's three prongs on this side. You just want to push in on those and the cover will come right out. Just like that. Here's the three. Just press in on these individually and this will come off. Now, this is the one. Make sure all your cables are good. And you're going to want to flex this. Just press in on the left side. Press in. Like that. The door should come right out. Just like that. And then wires right here. Doors off. There we go. Now the fusing unit will come right out. There usually is a cover right here. Once again, my machine's missing that. Don't know why. It's kind of like a wire cover. There we go. Fusing unit is out. You can watch me put it back in if you would like. Usually you want to clean in here, vacuum if you want to. This one looks really good, so don't have to worry about it. Alright, now let's get the fusing unit installed. Route these wires here down on the left, all the way down, and then grab them on the other end. Slide it in the fusing unit, and this one gets a little tricky. I like to lift up a little bit. Make sure all the cords are out of the way here on the left side, or they will get stuck. Hopefully you can see this. You kind of want to just even it out. Put the bottom in first, and then press up just like that. Okay, let me see if you guys can see that. That's a better angle. Okay. Alright. So, fusing unit is in place. Once again, this could be tricky. Don't worry if you have to pull it out a couple times and put it back in. That's just how it is. It's very finicky. Once again, try to go at an angle bottom first and then snap up in. And make sure it's aligned first. And the wires on the left side, make sure they're completely out of the way. That will also cause the fusing unit not to go in properly. Alright, now we can plug in our top connectors. The white one on the left, black one on the right, our gray one on the right. You can't mix these up, so don't worry about it. If you don't remember, use your fingernail to press in. Voila! Tuck those down. If you're going to use a drill, make sure it's torqued very low. 2 screws to seal the deal. And now we're going to do the cables on the bottom left. So, in the power cable with your finger. Snap it in. And then this one, just kind of curl it up. Also press it in with your finger. Do a little check. Alright, that side's done. There's normally a cover that goes here. My machine doesn't have it, so I ain't doing it. Now let's get the door on. We're gonna wire these through the hole. Let's see if I can go at this angle so you guys don't see me. I'm going to do the other angle. This is the one I'm used to. Sorry about my big head again. Okay, so you want to wrap the grounding wire through the back hole. These two will just go through the same hole, but will come right down towards you. Just like that. Right. Then you can put the right side door in its place and then snap the left one in by pressing on it like before. Just like that. Remember to make sure your wires are routed properly. there's little places for the wires to go. You can kind of see it. One clip. And 2 clips. And they are in. Put the plastic covering back over. Route the grounding wire on the side. And that's that same screw on the side. To remove the grounding wire. Just put that back in. We're almost done. It wasn't too bad. Yes. That cover slides right in like that. And then once again press up on the 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Back plate, just flex it. That goes on. This one, match the color. Right side first. Left side snaps. First, yeah. See, I knew I needed to do it. Listen to your gut. And that is it. The fusing unit for the Kyocera M3550 is finished. Put the paper tray in there. Start it up. Run a bunch of copies, you'll be satisfied. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.